Good morning, everyone. Huamanta kay kile si on Thursday. Okay, for today's video, mga guys, I would like to share to you some nursing verbs that I've learned in my Finnish online class. Okay, disclaimer, guys, I'm not a teacher. I'm a caregiver who passed the A2.1 exam. Okay, so I have a book here beside me. So I would like to share to you, and I'm not a perfect, dili ko perfect, guys, no? So these are some of the nursing verbs. First is general assistance. Is number one is avusta, to assist, no? So first is to mo assista, for example mo assista og resident sa nursing home. So kung mo assist ka og patient sa hospital, it's called potelas, no? Layo ra siya, no? Si potelas is a patient, resident is asukas. Okay, next is antalake, so meaning to say it's to give or to administer medication. Next is yaka laket, meaning to say is to dispense medication. Next is pukeya, to dress, to put clothes on. For example, mo magput on clothes ka sa resident. Okay? So maghimo ra ta nag-sentence mga guys sa sunod na ko nga video, no? Next is sleep and rest. Herata, to wake up on one's own. Okay? Next is herata ex-resident. So meaning to say to wake up someone else. Okay? Next is nosta ulus, meaning to say ang nosta ulus, guys, is to get up in one's own, no? Next is mina nukuman, to go to sleep or to go to bed. Okay? Next is nukuwa, to sleep. So maura to, guys, ang akong gi-share for today's video. Next is mo ako pang i-share, no, para makabaw mo unsa na among ginatun-an, no? Unsa among na-learn sa daghan jud kaayo, guys, akong i-share sa inyo, pero di jud makaya, guys, kay lisod kaayo maghimo video, no, nga lisod jud kayo, but I'm trying my best nga maka share ko sa inyo, no? Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Moi moi.